My students are reading Putting the Public Back in Public Relations by Solis and Breakenridge as part of a course on social media. 2 times a week they write summaries of chapters from the book. Although there seems to be a lot of duplication of ideas through the book, students are finding the book helpful in creating a better understanding of social media. As they read, they also are becoming experts on one form of social media they have chosen. They are also working in groups to begin conversations about issues or problems important to them. For today's class, students will have written summaries of Chapter 7 about blogger relations. Solis and Breakenridge point to 2 mistakes traditional PR people make when dealing with bloggers. 1, they underestimate the power of blogs to persuade. 2, they think PR should focus on the A-list bloggers like they focus on the traditional media elite. The difference between bloggers and journalists is only the medium they use to reach people, they say. Now that can't be true. Journalists write for huge audiences, sometimes huge audiences. That's what the mass media is all about. Sometimes bloggers like me write for only 1 or 2 people. Blogging, Solis and Breakenridge say, is an important evolution not only in citizen journalism, but in publishing in general. They add, similar to anything that has the capability to connect with and build an audience, blogging is an online printing press with the inherent capability for others to discover and stay connected to relevant content and the communities that help them thrive. Bloggers can't be ignored because while their audiences may be small, they're important influencers with those audiences. But not every blog is created equal. So why not focus only on A-list bloggers, some PR people ask. Solis and Breakenridge write, although there is an A-list for every market, and the A-list helps with credibility of a brand, it does very little for generating new customers or enhancing brand loyalty. While A-list bloggers may reach large audiences, they may not be the true influencers of the customers you want to reach. The true influencers are the peers of your customers. The magic middle may be the bloggers PR want to join in a conversation with. The magic middle, as defined by David Seiferai of Technorati, are those blogs with 20 to 1,000 active inbound links. So how do you rank bloggers? You can use tools like those found on compete.com or alexa.com to analyze the amount of online traffic. You can use referring links like Technorati and find ensuing conversations by using blog polls. You can see the number of subscribers to a blogger's feed through a Google Reader or FeedBurner, which is now owned by Google. You can get a feel for how well certain bloggers grasp the industry they represent using tools like Radian6 or BuzzLogic. Solis and Breakenridge end by suggesting PR people do their homework and develop real one-on-one conversations. They say PR people can show their credentials by 1, knowing who you're talking to and why what you represent matters to them and their readers. 2, by packaging your story to their preferences. 3, by being an expert in your field where you work and knowing about the playing field and the players. And finally, by positioning yourself as a resource rather than a spammer.